Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Arknights Enfield on PC. First, go to enfield.griffline.com. I'll link that down in the description. And you can see that on the bottom right corner here, you can download it for Windows. You just need to click that. And you just need to download the file. And once that file is downloaded, you just need to click on it to launch. And you just need to follow the instructions to download the game. You first need to click that you have read the terms and conditions, and you just click continue and let the game install. And once that's complete, click launch. And once you've downloaded the launcher, you need to click on download right here, and you need to make sure that you have enough disk space of 78 gigabytes so that you can download the game and play it on your PC. However, do make sure you have a Griffline account so that you can play the game, and also make sure that your PC meets the minimum requirements in order to play the game smoothly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.